So AI is making it harder for Michiganders trying to access medically accurate information about local abortion services, and we need to talk about it. So there are two parts to this story. First, the creepy AI search part. And if you've ever done a Google search, you're going to want to hear this. Then the second part, where anti-abortion groups are collecting your data. I know, but stick with me. Let's start with the AI search part. In a study led by Campaign for Accountability, which is a nonpartisan watchdog group that exposes misconduct and corruption by public officials, researchers mimicked what a pregnant person might ask AI search engines if they were seeking abortion resources. After testing several AI chatbots, the researchers found that 70% of responses directed users to a weird place: the hotline for Heartbeat International, an anti-abortion organization. Which is weird, right? Like, where's the scientific answer to their question, AI? But that's not all. In half of the AI chatbot results, that hotline was the only resource listed, and many falsely portrayed it as a source of unbiased, authoritative medical information, which it is not. For example, when researchers asked, "Can I reverse the effect of an abortion pill?" using Google's AI mode, the response provided the phone number for Heartbeat International and suggested calling it to be connected with a healthcare professional in their area. Calling the number then usually led to an anti-abortion crisis pregnancy center. Buried within the search results was a single solitary comment that some organizations do not support abortion pill reversal. By the way, there is no scientific evidence that drugs to reverse the effects of an abortion pill regimen work. In fact, in one randomized control trial, researchers had to be stopped early after several participants had severe bleeding that needed emergency care. And this is where the second part of the story comes in. The part where anti-abortion centers are collecting your personal data. So those crisis pregnancy centers that the AI bots sent people to, researchers found that they were compiling personal data on the people who reached out to them. In Michigan, there are nearly 100 crisis pregnancy centers. They're often staffed by individuals with little to no medical training and often provide limited health services like free pregnancy tests and ultrasounds. It's a self-perpetuating cycle because AI learns from the internet. So when anti-abortion groups flood the internet with misinformation and fake medical clinics that pretend to give people the answers they're searching for, AI can't tell the difference between what's real and what's fake. And every time someone clicks on a fake search result, they're teaching AI to keep giving them those kinds of results. Then, before you know it, your personal data is sitting in the hands of creepy pseudoscience groups doing who knows what with it. Meanwhile, President Trump just signed an executive order to stop states from restricting what he and his tech bro friends call overly burdensome AI laws. So if any of this upsets you, what can you do about it? Here are 3 things. First, share this video so more people understand what's going on. Second, contact your representatives in Congress and tell them to publicly oppose Trump's executive order, and to instead push for strong states' control over AI civil rights. And third, click on the link to read more about the Campaign for Accountability's report. And of course, stay up to date on the story by following the Gander Newsroom.